Hi, I'm Chef Fan, and today we're gonna get ready for a dinner party. Tonight's dinner party is actually my early birthday celebration. My birthday is in a few days, and I figured since while all of my friends are here in Zamboanga, I'd invite them over and we'd have some great food, spend some quality time with each other, and just have a great time. So while Editor Irfan is gonna give you a rundown on the menu, I'm gonna start prepping. Assalamualaikum, Editor Irfan here. Habang si Kitchen Irfan is cooking up a storm, I'm gonna give you guys a quick rundown of all the dishes for tonight. Starting off, meron tayong peri-peri chicken with a homemade peri-peri sauce. Etong recipe na to, very much inspired siya sa Nando's. Simply because me and my siblings grew up eating Nando's whenever we go to Malaysia or KL. After that, meron tayong Cajun-inspired seafood boil, but with a Filipino twist. So, ang seafood boil namin, it's sweeter compared to most seafood boils, but malasa pa rin siya, and it still very much carries the normal seafood boil flavors that you're expecting. After that, meron tayong dish na hindi mawawala sa kahit anong tausog gathering, which is our famous tula ito, which is very much a dish that needs to be experienced for whenever you come to Zamboanga City. After that, here are the two dishes that I'm very excited for. We have a seared cabbage with a caramelized cauliflower cream sauce, basically giving new life to the humble yet respectable cabbage. After that, meron tayong roasted miso maple glazed pumpkin and eggplant with a chili cream cheese sauce. May pagka-pinakbet flavors siya, but elevated to a higher level.
Kami kumain, and we're gonna go around asking my friends what their favorite dish of the night was. So starting here with Jace, Irish, and Carl. So, guys, ano yung favorite dish ninyo sa dinner?
My favorite was tula. Ito.
Mine was roasted veggies.
Roasted veggies. Carl,
What's yours?
what was your favorite
Roasted
dish?
cabbage wedges. Easy.
The roasted cabbage. Okay, so right now, andito kami with Waki. I've known Waki since kinder kami.
Yes, kinder.
So, this is such a cool moment for me to serve food for him.
Again.
So, ano ang favorite food dish mo for the night?
Yung roast, to be honest, it's really the roasted veggies. Kasi, to be honest, it was really the sauce, the chili
cheese.
cheese. Yun yung, that's what really gave the veggies a bit more kick. Hindi naman siya, it's not that it's too spicy. I'm a guy who's into
Sakto
mild
lang.
spice. Sakto lang siya.
Okay.
Hopefully, if ever lang, you'll do it later on. Maybe in one of your dishes to serve for other people.
Inshallah.
Timing na. Trust me, really.
Okay, sige.
If you need a chef, Tausug Cuisine, or any chef at all, Irfan is your guy. Honestly, the man has grown from a kid to a man at this point.
Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. Love you, bro. Love you,
Have
bro.
good choices in love life. Yun lang. Ayaw eh.
First one we're gonna ask is Ayman.
Hi.
Good evening. Good evening, yeah. So me and Ayman, we've known each other since junior high.
Yeah, junior
But
high.
it wasn't until nung grade 11 where we
Yeah,
became
we were
friends.
classmates.
Yes. Man is definitely one of my closest friends now.
Hello.
What was your favorite dish for the night?
Definitely the cabbage and the one with the
Yung roasted veggies.
yeah, roasted veggies.
Okay.
I like that. It's new in my palate. Yung the one with the
It's different, no? Pero
Yeah.
may pagka-familiarity pa rin siya.
Yeah,
No?
I like it.
I'm really happy na you liked it, Ayman.
Yeah, I love it.
Now, nandito kami with Laika. So, for context, guys, Laika and I have known each other since kinder.
Yes.
We've been classmates since kinder. Pero
Kinder lang tayo classmates.
Kinder lang kami classmates, pero we've known each other since kinder. Tapos, it wasn't until recently na naging super close na kami.
Yes.
Na professionals na kaming dalawa.
Yes.
Oo. So, Lex, what was your favorite dish of the night?
Yung favorite dish ko for tonight is yung roasted pumpkin with eggplant.
Okay. Now we're with the legend himself, Kuya King of Sabroso Vlog.
Hello.
So, basically, how we met, in-invite ko lang sila sa Auntie Ens. And from there, we found out na they knew my dad. They knew my uncles. And they share a lot of interest in terms of sa airsoft.
Yes.
And from there, it was like, up, like, it was looking up all the way from there. Like, doon kami naging sobrang close. Like, we met last year, di ba?
Yes, last year.
Oo, like, I invited you guys to Auntie En's.
Yeah,
And then
correct.
we shared a meal. And then,
Yeah.
doon natin nalaman na, like, magkakilala lang pala tayong lahat.
It was a small world.
Small world, as in.
Mm.
So now, like, Kuya Keng and Ate Franny, they're definitely one of my closest friends talaga.
Yeah.
I'm very happy na they're here. Very happy
Yeah,
na
thank
they're
you for
here.
having us.
Oo. So, Kuya Keng, what was your favorite dish of the night?
Ang hirap niya na. But definitely top 3 yung, syempre, I'm a veggie guy, so gusto ko yung cabbage.
Okay. That's the grilled cabbage
Grilled
with
cabbage.
cauliflower sauce.
Yes. And then second was yung kalabasa.
The roasted eggplant and pumpkin with chili cream cheese.
Yes, must try ito.
Okay.
And then, definitely, to mention yung chulatum, and then, yung chicken, you must try the chicken.
The peri-peri.
Yeah, the peri-peri
Okay.
chicken. Ang sarap. Close to peri-peri chicken talaga sa Nando's.
Okay,
Yeah.
that means a lot. Thank you so much,
Yeah.
Kuya Keng. Thank you.
Yeah.
Nandito kami with Ate Franny. So, basically, me and Ate Franny have known each other almost 2 years na, no?
Yes. It's a small world
It's a
talaga.
small world
Oo,
talaga.
Kahit na malayo yung age gap namin ni Fan, pero it's a small world pa rin for us.
At the
Diba?
same, yes, and at the same time, the more we hung out with each other, the more namin nalaman na like very much kindred spirits kaming tatlo. And that just made the bond closer and very much naging one of my closest friends na talaga sila.
Yes.
So I'm very happy na they're here to enjoy the night and share the food. Share the food na ginawa ko. So Ate Fran, what was your favorite dish of the night?
Yung yung pumpkin na may cream cheese
Mm.
na spicy, that's like the 11 out of 10 na dish for me because it's my first time trying na hindi ako mahilig sa gulay ha. Hindi talaga ako mahilig sa gulay. Pero itong dish na to, it made me realize na marami pa palang dish ng vegetables na I need to try. Dahil dun sa dish na yun.
Okay.
Pag may magtanong sa amin, okay, so no, anong core memory mo kay Chef? First time namin pumunta sa bahay nila, ang sarap ng pagkain.
Thank
It's
you.
really good.
Thank you.
International class talaga yung food dito. Kaya guys, pag in-invite kayo ni Chef Fan, punta kayo. You will miss half of your life pag hindi.
Wow, grabe.
Wow, masarap yung food.
Tonight was an amazing experience. We had good food, we had amazing company, and I even got to catch up with some people that I haven't spoken to in over a decade. So, alhamdulillah, everything was amazing. Tonight was about showing my appreciation to all of my friends, the only way I knew how, which was through food. If you guys want me to share any of the recipes that I made for tonight, please don't hesitate to follow and comment. That's Chef Fan, signing off. Assalamualaikum.